Facebook long videos not showing or appearing in Reels. In today's video, we'll be troubleshooting the issue where your long Facebook videos are not showing or appearing in Reels. If you've uploaded a long video and it's not showing where you expect it to, don't worry, we've got some solutions for you, so let's dive right in. Facebook Reels has a video limit length that you need to be aware of. Reels are designed for shorter videos, typically up to 90 seconds long. If your video exceeds that length, it won't show up as a reel. So if your video is too long, let's say over 90 seconds, it might be automatically placed in your feed or your profile's video section, but not in the reel section. To fix this, you'll need to either shorten your video or upload it as a regular post or video instead of a reel. Next thing what we can do is go to your profile and simply tap on settings and privacy and go to settings. From there simply open tab video, which you can find in the preferences. From here simply tap on customize the bar. Now what you need to do is in the tab bar where you can find the video, you need to set it to pin. Just pin the video. And here you can find an option that says feeds. Simply hide it, so that your video will be shown in the video bar, not in the feeds bar. The next thing we need to check is if our Facebook app is up to date. Simply open your App Store or Google Play Store. Sometimes the problem can be due to an outdated Facebook app or a temporary glitch in the system. Just update the Facebook app and try clearing the cache or reinstalling the app itself as well. And that's it. These are some of the ways you can simply make Facebook videos appear in your Reels section.